This piece of bamboo I got as a packed material of bamboo biryani. When I got it, I thought to make it a vase. First, I painted it with black acrylic color properly. Then I drew few branches and bird on it with the help of pencil. After drawing, I painted it with golden acrylic color. Now it has been converted into a lovely vase. If you like this, then please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe my channel. Write comment in the comment box. If my idea helps you to get new idea with the waste material, then I will be very happy. Okay, bye bye till the next video. See you soon.